Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn the most interesting chapter in class 7 Science NCERT, the world of metal and non-metal. Students, have you ever wondered why a school bell makes loud ringing sound when it hit, but a piece of coal just break into powder? Or why your mom wrap your lunch in aluminum foil but never use plastic or wood? If it all comes down to one big scientific difference. Today we have exactly 5 pages of beautiful high-yield handwritten notes that covers this entire chapter based on the latest NCERT syllabus. Grab your notebook and let's start. Let's start the world of metals and non-metals. What are they? We start from classification. Everything around us is made of elements, and scientists classified them into two main categories: metals and non-metals. What are metals? As highlighted here in blue. Metals are elements that are generally hard, shiny, and good conductors of heat and electricity. What are non-metals? Non-metals are usually opposite to metals. They are dull, soft, and poor conductors of heat and electricity. Take a look at our little doodle in the corner, trying to hand hammer a metal. He is shouting malleable because metals can take a beating. But what does that word actually mean? Let's flip to page number 2. Find out page number 2. Physical properties of metals. Let's break down. First one is physical state. Most metals are solid, but wait, there is an exception. Mercury is a metal, but it's a liquid at room temperature. Keep this in mind for your exam. Luster. Metals love to shine. This is called metallic luster. Hardness. They are generally very hard. But there is an exception: sodium and potassium, which are so soft you can literally cut them with a butter knife. Malleability. This is a favorite exam question. Metal can be beaten into thin sheets, just like the drawing of the aluminum foil you see here. Now next, ductility. Metals can be drawn into thin wires, like here copper wire. Copper wire commonly used in your home electricity style. Now next one is sonority. Metals make a ringing sound when struck. Now flip to page number 3. Here you will learn about chemical properties of metals and non-metals. Chemical properties means how they behave inside. First one is reaction with oxygen. When metals react with oxygen, form metal oxide, which are basic in nature. When non-metals react with oxygen, create non-metal oxide. It is acidic in nature. Let's look at this awesome diagram in the middle. This is a classic NCERT experiment. If you take a magnesium ribbon with tongues and burn it over a spirit lamp, it burns with a brilliant white flame to form a white powder called magnesium oxide. The litmus test. Test with litmus. How do we prove it's basic or acidic? If we dissolve that ash in water and test it, metal oxide turn red litmus into blue. So it is basic in nature. While non-metallic oxide turn blue litmus red. So it is acidic. Now we will turn to the page number 4. You will learn here uses and displacement reaction. Let's talk about displacement reactions. Think of this as a game of musical chair where the stronger, more reaction, the stronger, more reactive metal kick out the weaker, less reactive metal from its seat. Look at the experiment diagram. Blue solution of copper sulfate with an iron nail in it. Because iron is more reactive than copper, displace. The result, the solution turned green and a reddish brown coating of copper gets deposited on the nail. This reaction is right here. Now we will learn important facts of NCERT. Sodium and potassium are stored in kerosene because they are highly reactive. Mercury is the only metal found in a liquid state at room temperature. Phosphorus is a very reactive non-metal. It catches fire when exposed to air. Now turn to the page number 5. Summary and revision. Key points summary. Elements are classified into metals and non-metals based on properties. Metals are malleable, ductile, sonars, and lustrous. Non-metals are dull, brittle, and non-sonars. Metals are good conductors of heat and electricity. Non-metals are generally poor conductors. Metal oxides are basic. Non-metallic oxides are acidic. Displacement reaction. More reactive metal replace less reactive metal. One line revision for quick review. Think reactive metal and dull non-metal. Metal displace, non-metal don't with water or acids. Exam booster. Exception alert. Mercury is liquid. Sodium can be cut with a knife. Diamond, non-metal, is the hardest. Common mistakes. All non-metals are gases. Correction. Bromine is liquid. Carbon and sulfur are solids. These are the most important NCERT points for exams. Thank you for watching. If these handwritten notes helped you, like this video, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. See you in the next NCERT Science Notes video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.